1. Scattered Paddles, 118.91. Peace Dragon Warriors, 119.61. Wow, Women on Water, 124. And Angry Unicorns at 125. And Heat 43, first place, Kai Kaika, 102.39. Fastest of the short course. Place number 2, Tacoma Nagas, 108.47. 3, Blue Bayou, 116.67. 4, Snap at the Moon, 117.5. 5, PSU Green Dragons, 125. Portland Fire Dragons and Stumptown to marshalling, please. Portland Fire and Stumptown to marshalling. All set for race 45. 250. Watch how they take that boat out of the water and push it down. There's your horn. Who's got the best start? Anniemaniacs, boat number 3, early lead. Anniemaniacs with a big stroke count. Team LifeScan in boat number 2, giving them all they want. Team LifeScan making up some ground on Anniemaniacs. Team LifeScan starting to pull up even. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Team LifeScan is even with Anniemaniacs. Anniemaniacs, boat number 3, trying to hang on. Look at the race for second place. Dragin Tails, number 5, Sink or Swim at 4. Man, it is close for 1. Does Team LifeScan pull it out or Anniemaniacs? And for second place, Dragin Tails, maybe boat 5 over Sink or Swim. SunDragons coming on strong as well in 1, lane 1. Oh, good race, good.